Hello guys, it's me Coffee, and for this day, I'm sorry it's noisy, my parents are watching, but for this day I'm going to show you an app called Super Slime Simulator, and yeah, ow, don't worry guys, I'm going to fix this. So this app, oh my gosh, so this app is like slime, but it isn't like real, and yeah, let's get started. Sorry it's noisy, just ignore the background music, but here we go. This app is called Super Slime Simulator. Make sure you download it. It's super fun, like for real. I'm gonna use these ones to tap, like these pens to tap on the thing, or I can use my hands. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go press this one, and then when you get inside, you can see this, and this is like, I just downloaded it earlier ago, and here it is. So I get to choose in slime. These are the slimes that I made just a while ago. This is my lotion slime. It's very like clicky, like the click ones. Here it is. It's so satisfying. I'm popping it with my hands because you can all see one thing with my. If I'm only popping one, it means I'm using the pen. I'm using my hands again, for real. So good. So I went back to the home. Let's just press it. I got the ice cream sundae, the moon slime, Victor slime, that was my cousin's slime, and that is Victor and my slime, the candy slime, and my friend's slime, and my slime, the melon slime, the watermelon slime, my other slime. And this is my first slime. It's fluffy. Ooh, so good, right? I'm using my hand now. It's so satisfying, like so amazing. It's like so good. It's like a real slime. But, yeah. Let's go. And this is the like, other slime. This is like the crunchy. It's like the Christmas one. Christmas edition. But I call it blue water. This is like the real water. It looks like the water, but look at this. It's so cool. Oh my gosh, Chris, I'm so sorry. Don't mind that. Just I love the blue water too. And this is the watermelon that I made. The blue water, it's like, so good, like for real. And you could do games. And I'll show you how to make one. Comment down below if you want me to like make a slime thing for you. I'll like record it, and then I will send it to you on YouTube. So I like here the milky one. So I'm gonna use the thing. Use this, but I'm gonna use the pink one. I'll write my name. so cool. So I'm gonna do violet. Do I have violet already? No. And then I will add and then I could add some flowers. I'll name it Valentine 2.0. Wait, is it? Okay, see?
She's your daughter.
Zero. Hey guys. Oh my god. So that's like, this is my other Valentine's, the color. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to download this app. It's so amazing if you're like also a slime lover. But yeah guys, bye!